Before you hire anyone to design your logo, let me give you a truth that will save you time, money, and frustration. Your logo is not just an image. It's the first impression people have of your brand. It decides whether customers see you as trustworthy, professional, or forgettable. And most business owners hire the wrong designer simply because they don't know what to look for. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hire the perfect logo designer in 2026 without getting overwhelmed or scammed and without paying more than you should. The first thing you need to understand is that great logo design isn't about randomness or luck. It's about clarity. Before you contact any designer, get clear on your foundation. What is your business name? Who is your ideal customer? What feeling should your brand give someone the moment they see your logo? Do you want it to look modern, minimal, bold, elegant, fun, luxury, or playful? A designer can only create something powerful if you know the message you want your brand to send. Once that clarity is in place, the second step is to choose where you're actually going to hire your designer. There are 3 places people go, but only one that works best for most small businesses. Some go to design agencies, which can be extremely professional but often expensive, especially if you're just starting out. Others try to find designers randomly through Instagram or social media, which can work, but you have to dig through a lot of inconsistent portfolios. The best option for most people is an online freelance marketplace. You can instantly browse hundreds of logo designers, compare portfolios, read real reviews, check delivery time, see exactly what files you'll receive, and choose someone within your budget. This saves you from guessing, and it protects you because everything is processed through the platform. If you want to explore the top recommended place to hire a logo designer, the link is in the description and pinned comment. Now let's move to the third step, reviewing portfolios properly. Most people look at a designer's portfolio the wrong way. They ask, do I like this logo? But the right question is, does this designer have a consistent style that matches the vision I want for my brand? The best designers have a clear visual identity. Their logos feel intentional, balanced, and professional. They don't look like random templates. They don't look like clip art. They feel custom. They feel sharp. And they feel like something a real business would proudly put on their store window or website. If all the logos in someone's portfolio look completely different with no consistency at all, that's a warning sign. But if you see strong typography, well-crafted icon design, modern layouts, and real client examples, then that's a designer who cares about quality. The fourth step is communication. Before you hire anyone, send a simple message. Introduce your business, tell them what you do, explain the style you prefer. Mention 1 or 2 logos from their portfolio that stood out to you. This does 2 things. It shows them your direction, and it shows you how clearly they communicate. Good designers respond professionally, ask smart questions, and show interest in your project. Poor designers give short answers or rush you into ordering. Communication matters more than most people think because the better you communicate, the better your final logo will be. Now let's talk about something most beginners forget. What's included in your package? Before paying, always confirm the details. What file formats will you receive? Will you get vector files like AI, SVG, or EPS? These are the files you need for printing, scaling, and long-term use. How many revisions are included? Will you receive different versions of your logo, such as black and white variations or stacked and horizontal layouts? And do they provide commercial rights so you legally own the design? These details matter because your logo needs to work everywhere, from your website to your packaging, your apparel, your social media, and even your invoices. The last step is giving feedback the right way. When the designer sends the first concepts, avoid saying things like, I don't like it, with no explanation. That doesn't help them. Instead, tell them what direction you want the design to move in. Do you want it more bold, more minimal, more elegant, more fun? Do you like the typography but want a new icon? Specific and respectful feedback leads to better results. Designers are not mind readers, but but they are experts at bringing your vision to life if you guide them clearly. If you follow these steps, clarity, the right platform, smart portfolio review, professional communication, clear agreement, and meaningful feedback, you will end up with a brand identity you're truly proud of. And remember, a great logo isn't an expense. It's an investment that pays you back every time someone sees your brand and decides you're worth trusting. If you want to hire a trusted logo designer today, I've placed my recommended link in the description and pinned comment. You can browse designers, compare styles, and start your project with confidence. Go take that first step and build a brand that feels professional, premium, and ready for success.